What's up, guys, and Happy New Year! This is my first video for 2024, and it's not going to be a moto vlog because, as you can see, I have a power bank right here to review from Aukey. This is a new model released just a week ago, first week of January this year. It's a PB-Y43. So let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. So this is the power bank itself. It's quite heavy. Well, because it's 20,000 mAh. It's 390 grams. I think it's equivalent to around two smartphones. It has a matte finish. Doesn't look premium, but it feels like it's well built. And it's a good thing that they included a USB-C to C cable because this is the only cable compatible with PD 3.0.
Wow.
PD or Power Delivery 3.0, it is a new standard which basically means it's more powerful. The maximum output is around 100 watts. I won't go deeper into more geeky stuff. So let's check the ports. It has three, two USB-C and one USB-A. Port 1 is both input and output and has PD or power delivery. Port number 2 is output only, as well as port number 3. It says here Omnia 2. It is a new generation chip made from GaN or gallium nitride. Basically, it is more efficient, more powerful, but smaller. So with GaN, manufacturers can produce a much more powerful chargers, much more powerful and efficient that comes in small package. Maximum output of this port is 65 watts. Port 2 is 33 or 30 watts. And USB-A 18 watts. It has a digital display which tells you the battery percentage, the input or output, and the wattage of both input and output. So it's a good thing. So let's proceed to testing. So I'm charging my cell phone right now using the power bank. For your reference, my phone has a 5000 mAh battery and is compatible with PD or power delivery. If you notice, My cell phone is supercharging, so this power bank is legit PD capable. You might want to take note of the time and battery percentage. I'll leave it for 30 minutes and get back with the results.
2 hours later.
Welcome back, guys. So after 30 minutes, my phone has now a 53% charge. Well, what can I say? It's pretty fast. It's charging at around 22 watts.
2 hours later.
Now let's see how long would it take for this 20,000 mAh monster to be fully charged. You might want to take note of the time and battery percentage. And I'll get back after eternity with the results.
2 hours later.
So let's wrap up our review of the Aukey PB-Y43 Sprint X power bank. I must say it's an impressive device for its price, which is around 3,500 pesos. With its fast charging, fast recharging, large capacity, and compact size, it's a perfect companion for on-the-go charging. So thanks for tuning in and see you on my next video.